Hey everybody, your boy here with another update. We made some money this month. This month was a phenomenal month. I told you all about 2 weeks ago when I was in Nigeria. I actually just got back yesterday. So we closed out the month of September. As you can see here, we are at 10.4%. That's where we finished the month of September. So that brings our annual total performance from the date that I started tracking this to 16.3%. Okay. Now, as I said, y'all, I'm trying to zoom out here. Let me try to do this with my hand. As I said to y'all initially, the last 3 months, the Q4 of every year tends to be really bullish for stocks. And the difference, however, lies in how the market views the Fed rate cuts. I mean, obviously, I think they said they were forecasting a rate cut each meeting. I think 4 rate cuts this year. But whatever the case, low rates are usually bullish for stocks. But again, the markets are unpredictable. But if the market continues to repeat itself, and I'm seeing the seasonality is tending to become more prominent in certain stocks. And by the way, seasonality is the tendency for certain groups of stocks to go up or down at certain points of time in the year. This has to do with the ebbs and flows of pension funds, when typically hedge fund managers, pension managers, they rebalance their portfolio every quarter. So you will tend to see sell-offs and steep, sharp rebounds happen within a very short window. And that tends to happen again going into the end of one quarter, the beginning of another quarter. So, but September tends to be negative, which kind of surprising that we got a 10.4% return. I do expect that this trend will continue. I think we will end this year. Again, my estimate is we'll average from now to the end of the year probably 20%. We probably make another 20 to 25% at minimum. That's my guess. I don't know, but we will see. But again, everybody, this is another update. We're up to 16.3%. We will be opening registration for the Freedom Fund Society membership program, which is the program that's going to give you access to these stocks, as well as our debt elimination program, where we're going to help you see the impact of paying on your debt and combining an investment framework that helps you eliminate debt while you're building wealth, so that you have more wealth in the long term. Instead of being broke and debt free, we can have a little bit of debt and a whole lot more money, because that way we'll be wealthier. Okay. So again, Freedom Fund Society registrations will open up this class. I will also be going over our life insurance strategy, our private pension strategy, which we would be using for our lifetime income and the long-term care benefit that we get. But with this bucket, we can use it for debt elimination. We could use it to fund a side business. We could use it to supplement our retirement. This is just that higher risk bucket of money that gives us the opportunity to do real estate investing. This is our alternative investment fund, if we want it to be that. But it is the funds that we're using to invest, get us out of debt, etc., that we're building up from the investments in these stocks. So this is, again, a phenomenal way that we're going to be, again, diversifying our money so that we can take advantage of some of these AI stocks. And obviously, this program is an AI assisted program. I have an AI dashboard. I have several tools that I use to determine what stocks are included, but these are all the stocks within my own personal portfolio that I give to my clients. And when you come into the program, we will get your account set up. You also look at the stocks that we're in. We're going to give you a ton of more information on it, but just make sure you attend the class. Make sure you register for the class, the weekly retirement planning class where we teach about the essentials of retirement planning, helping you save more money, increase your cash flow, create income, get yourself out of debt, build that big investment portfolio that becomes the generational wealth that we pass along. Okay. All right, everybody. Thanks again. This is Jerry Gordon, founder and CEO of the Black Wealth Company, where Black Wealth is our business. Don't forget to register for the upcoming class somewhere around this video. Could be on the description section of YouTube. Or if you're seeing this on YouTube as an ad, you could, again, just register. We'll put you in the next available class. Looking forward to seeing y'all. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you at our next workshop.